Budgeting is a fundamental financial skill that can significantly improve your overall financial health. It involves creating a plan for how you'll spend your money, ensuring that your income aligns with your expenses. Here's a basic guide to help you get started. First, track your spending. Identify your income. List all your sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, or any other regular payments. Track your expenses. Keep a detailed record of all your expenses, including both fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs like groceries and entertainment. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even a simple notebook. Next, set financial goals. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or creating an emergency fund. Long-term goals could be saving for a down payment on a house, retirement, or your child's education. Finally, create a budget. Estimate your income. Based on your tracking, determine your average monthly income. Allocate funds. Divide your income into categories that align with your financial goals, such as housing, transportation, food, utilities, savings, and debt repayment. Be flexible. Your budget should be adaptable to changes in your income or expenses. Save for emergencies. It's crucial to build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund can help you weather unexpected financial storms. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Identify areas for savings. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending, such as dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment. And hey, consider negotiating your bills with service providers to potentially save money. Pay off debt. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying off debt with the highest interest rates. First, to save money on interest. Create a debt repayment plan. Develop a strategy to pay off your debt as quickly as possible. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget. Check in on your budget periodically to ensure it's still working for you. Make adjustments as needed. If your income or expenses change, adjust your budget accordingly. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to develop effective budgeting habits. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your successes along the way.